All right, time to dive into my project of the day. This one got drilled good in the left rear. It's getting a new quarter panel, new taillight pocket. I think a couple of the extensions that go back behind there. First, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this one though, and get all this pulled out. All right, I got this one all pulled out. I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting this quarter panel off and the taillight pocket. And it also gets the outer wheelhouse. You see right there, there's the taillight pocket and the new panel. And I'm also waiting for our glass guys to come and pull the glass for me. They're supposed to be here in a little bit, but I could still go ahead and start cutting most of it apart. Outer panel off. Now I have to cut out this outer wheelhouse right here, and I got this new brace right here as well because it sits on top of it. I'm gonna go ahead and get all of that cut apart now. I got this one all cut apart, all the outer wheelhouse and everything's off of it. Alright, I had this quarter panel roughly fit up. so I know that it meets up with the wheelhouse, the inner wheelhouse or outer wheelhouse correctly. And I'm gonna go ahead and take it back off, weld that outer wheelhouse on so it's done, and then I'll start final fitting the quarter panel and taillight pocket. I got this one all fit up. The door gap is nice and even. The trunk and taillight both fit nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and start getting this one ready and go ahead and put the glue on it. There's glue that goes right in this area, and set it on there and start welding. Alright, I got this one ready for fill. I'm going to send it over to Eric to do the fill work on it, and I'm going to move on to the next one.
I stay putting in that work.